Hello students, in this video I will teach you that what is change case. You can see under type like change case. So for example, if we select the type tool and if we write like this, so you can see it's small letters. I have typed, so if you want to change it to capital, you can use type, change case and uppercase. So this will change into uppercase, and if you have typed like capital letter, and in case if you want to change it to small or lowercase, then go to type, change case and select lowercase. And if I write like type and change case and title case, now you can see title case, each character of the word, the first character of each word is now capital. And if you write a paragraph like this and type sentence case, I will write something and you can see here, like for example, if we select type, change case, sentence case, so now each letter character of the first word after full stop is capital. For example, now you can see T is small here. If we go to type and sentence case, now you can see T is capital. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and also share the video with your friends. Thank you very much once again.